This is Avan'ye, and today I'm here to do, I think like a brown, probably like a smoky brownish type makeup look. That's what my dad told me to do. I asked him what color before I started, and he was like brown, because that's his favorite color, and so he told me to go with that, so I'm gonna go with that. Okay. I'm so happy to be like doing a makeup tutorial right now. It's currently raining and it's just so nice. Like, I don't like the rain when I'm outside, but it feels good. So I'm gonna first just start on my brows. And okay, you see how these are looking like old and rough? Well, they are old. Like, I haven't got them threaded in a minute, so this is how they're looking. And I'm actually gonna do these off camera to save some time, and I will be right back. See you guys later. Okay, I'm back with my eyebrows did, you guys. I hope that I'm in focus. I really hope that I'm in focus, because I don't have a viewfinder, so it's kind of hard for me to always, like, you know, pinpoint if I'm really in focus or not. But now I'm gonna hop into my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use the Morphe times Manny palette, and I'm gonna be using color Howl right here. It's right there, color Howl. And I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics palette and color Duchess and Rico right here. And then I think I'm gonna go in with this Lime Crime lipstick, and it's in color Salem. So I think I'm gonna use I think I'm gonna use all 4 of those, maybe just 2 eyeshadows and the lipstick, or I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, this is getting on my nerves. 1 second. Okay, because that was really getting on my nerves right there. First, I'm gonna go in, as I always do for my transition. I actually use like some sculpting powder. So that's what I do when I go in with mine. Actually, let me turn on my magnifying side of my okay, that's better. Just some light strokes. Okay. faces. So it's into the face from here and on, like it's into the face. Okay, so yeah. So I do not do full faces anymore due to I just don't wear full faces anymore, like ever. You don't catch me with it on. And like really it's too hot to be wearing a full face where I am, so I just be like but I think I'm finna put this on. so hot. This is the finished look, you guys. I actually need to, I had that scarf on, so it's looking kind of, white up here. But it doesn't look like that in person. I'm just trying to make sure it don't look like that on camera. Anyway, my last step right now is to do this lipstick. I can't find my lip liner, so I don't know. Oh, my other oh, this is not functioning really well right now. And let me get rid. I should have went and got a Q-tip, but I'm really too lazy to go even do that. And this keep drying so quick. Like, dang, this is really mad. Cause not it not coming off for real. Okay. It's doing too much. Ew. Oh my goodness. It's the same color that I put on my eyelid, y'all. This is disgusting. Oh my god, this is disgusting. No, I gotta add gloss. Hold on, I'll be right back. My camera finna die. My camera finna die. I gotta do this real quick. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Oh my goodness. No. This is becoming such a fail. I'm trying to get this lipstick. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. But this is the finished look, you guys. Oh my Jesus, this is not cute. This is what I'm gonna do. This lipstick is disrespectful. I'm never using this again. Girl, bye. No. Bye. Ew. Okay, because I'm just trying to save it with this MAC. So I'm going to try to save it with this MAC gloss. Oh, I don't know what to do. Did that fly in my hair, bro? Did that fly in my hair? I feel like the camera dead already. This is going bad now. It's not dead. It's not dead. Okay. But this is just ridiculous. Okay, I can't keep messing with it. Cause ew. This is so ugly. Bro, why is the school bus running this late? Oh, people are really sending their kids back to school. I would have been so mad at my parents, whoever they sent me back to school. During Rona? Like, don't do that. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to insert clips of how this is looking in a minute, because I don't know what to say about this no more. But yeah, this is Avan'ye, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good one.